First I'll say the world is moving faster and faster. Every company is trying to figure out how to work at the pace that things are going, and it's not going to slow down. So we have to figure out how to excel at that pace. I think culture is a huge important part, and a lot of what I learned was from Satya and what he did at Microsoft. But you have to align the culture to help move the pace along. It's first important to understand where you're going. A lot of people talk about doing, every company I talk to is doing some kind of digital transformation, but you have to really ask them what it is that they're trying to accomplish. And a lot of them have really good, this is the transformation that we're looking for, and we need to figure out how to get there faster. A lot of them are just talking about, enablers of transformation. So I want to move to the cloud, which is great, but it's not the goal. You move to the cloud so that you can do something. It's important to be clear on what you're trying to do in the transformation, and then set the culture up so that you can go there faster. Security isn't something where the goal should be to protect the company. We have to protect the company, but we want to protect the company in a way that still allows them to go at the pace that they need to for whatever the goal is. And it's important to think about that right, let alone set the culture to support it.
Yeah. Well, so I think it's a great observation. I'd say the other piece that certainly for us at Microsoft, and as I talk to customers I'm seeing, I would say there are two key culture shifts to also go through, which is kind of give up on being right about what the future is going to be, and put all of the value in we're going to get good at learning about the future faster than everybody else. So I may not know exactly what's going to happen in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but I'm going to go about building a culture and a set of systems and processes that enable me to outlearn all my competitors. So I'd say that's the first thing, is really focus on, let's not worry so much about being right anymore, let's focus on how do we learn quickly. And then making sure that then you've got kind of you kind of put a few best practices in place, which are essentially around making sure that you are continually looking for ways to quickly learn and deliver. Right? So rather than, like, I have one large customer, they're a huge Middle Eastern airline. They decided that they're going to reinvent the company, and the way they're doing it is they've stood up a whole new company, and they have a 4-year plan for how to get their new company up and running, and then on some magic day, they're going to transfer all the employees to the new company. And I'm just like, oh my God. Like, it's just got, we'll come back and meet your new CEO in 4 years, written all over it, right? Like, instead we have other airline customers who are really thinking about, hey, every 90 days I want to get better. Right? Like, I'm going to find some way that every 90 days the value we provide to customers, particularly as customers have more demanding digital expectations, I'm just going to get better every 90 days, and I'm going to take the time to stop, reflect on how the previous 90 days went, and then make improvements so that I'm continually able to do that again and again and again. And it feels like all my experience, certainly at Microsoft and as I watch customers, is that focus on continual improvement and always learning and delivering on short schedules, whatever it is. It's not just a software thing. I think it's an overall business thing. Is kind of the key to succeeding in this new era.